There are apps and websites that can make the entire crypto experience better for almost everyone. Let's jump into it. Top on our list is CryptoPanic. CryptoPanic is a news aggregator and portfolio tracker platform indicating impact on price and market for traders and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. CryptoPanic Portfolio Tracker is a free and useful tool to monitor your portfolio of cryptocurrencies and have quick access to it from the currency bar and receive instant notifications on trending topics. The web page has a primary interface that divides the screen into two parts, a scrolling feed that features news from the last hour from different sources, and the details about the news that you clicked on, as well as a link to the original site source. Registered users can vote if the information in the feed is positive, negative, or relevant to the markets. That's how users offer their feedback if the news could potentially influence them in a positive or negative direction the prices.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video.
BTI.live. If you want to buy a coin, then you must have to know about its real volume. For this purpose, you have to use BTI.live. BTI.live tells you about the actual volume of coins that you want to buy. BTI was established in 2018 to bring more trust and transparency to the blockchain space. Currently, their reports draw attention to wash-traded volumes of many of the largest exchanges in the space. BTI is helping numerous crypto projects avoid paying large listing fees to scam exchanges. TradingView. This website provides us with historical data and provides information in the form of charts. By using these charts, we can easily able to do technical analysis. To understand charts, you must have prior knowledge about charts. You may generate charts, alter technical indicators, and examine financial assets using the TradingView tool. Millions of traders use these patterns, lines, and shapes as indicators every day. TradingView is entirely browser-based, with no need to download a client. After doing a technical analysis, we can start trading. Look into Bitcoin. This provides us with on-chain data in the form of charts, where we can get all kinds of charts. One best thing about this website is that it provides information about charts, which is very helpful for beginners. We can easily analyze when it is a good time to buy and when not. Go and explore this. Wait, first, watch this video completely. And the next one is DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama is an API that tracks DeFi LTV to give an overview of the world's largest chains and the total value of the DeFi market as a whole. Blockchains include Ethereum, BSC, Terra, Tron, Avalanche, Solana, Polygon, Phantom, Waves, and many more. The platform sources its info directly from over 80 Layer 1 blockchains, hundreds of decentralized apps, CoinGecko and Uniswap. CoinGecko tracks over 400 exchanges and 5,000 DeFi assets, making it one of the world's largest cryptocurrency data aggregators. Uniswap provides information on thousands of cryptocurrencies and is one of the largest decentralized exchanges with over $100 billion in total trading volume. By compiling this data, users can easily see which chains are the largest and which are growing fastest. The data is reliable as it comes from open protocols where blockchain data is available to the public. CoinGecko. CoinGecko provides a fundamental analysis of the crypto market. In addition to tracking price, volume, and market capitalization, CoinGecko tracks community growth, open source code development, major events, and on-chain metrics. CoinGecko provides a trustworthy solution to help you decide where to invest and which exchanges you feel comfortable using. It provides a reliable source of information in what still remains a largely unregulated industry. It is like a one-stop shop for all information about crypto prices, the latest updates, and crypto educational material. Etherscan. Etherscan works like a search engine by indexing all the transactions on the Ethereum blockchain and then showing them to you when you enter wallet or token addresses in the search field. You can search for all kinds of transactions, be they successful, failed, or pending. You don't necessarily have to start an account to access its essential features, although being a registered user of Etherscan does offer you more perks. Nevertheless, the platform remains free to use whether or not you have an account. All you need to get started on this platform is a wallet address. By entering that into the search field on the homepage, you can view a lot of information about Ether transactions, smart contracts, and NFTs. Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush provides access to over 200 million collected social posts, all classified by coin, using machine learning, and displayed alongside unique insights. Lunar Crush collects more than 150,000 social posts with 20,000 links per day. Lunar Crush supports more than 2,000 cryptocurrencies. Lunar Crush allows one to compare and share all collected metrics side by side on coins.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.